Are you ready to create stunning and attention-grabbing doodle videos without spending hours learning complicated software? InstaDoodle is the complete solution you've been searching for. This AI-powered whiteboard animation tool makes video creation simple, fun, and incredibly fast. Whether you're making marketing content, educational lessons, product explainers, presentations, or social media videos, InstaDoodle has everything you need. Doodle videos have a unique charm, fun, hand-drawn, sketch-style animations that grab attention instantly. They make your message easier to understand and keep viewers engaged longer. In the past, creating these videos required expensive software or professional animators. Now, InstaDoodle brings this powerful style to everyone, even total beginners. InstaDoodle gives you AI-assisted tools that speed up your workflow and make creation effortless. You get hundreds of professional templates for marketing, education, sales, and more, all customizable with a simple drag-and-drop editor. A huge library of doodle elements, characters, icons, and animations makes your videos come alive, and adding voiceovers or music is just as easy. Everything works online, so you can create from any device with high-quality export options. Using InstaDoodle is incredibly easy, even if you've never created a video before. Just pick a template, customize the characters and elements, add your text or script, and finish with voiceovers or music. In a few simple steps, your idea becomes a fully animated doodle video. You can share it anywhere: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or presentations. Users love how much time InstaDoodle saves while delivering professional results. James from San Francisco uses it to boost his marketing campaigns, saying the drag-and-drop tools make video creation effortless. Emily, a teacher, uses it to explain complex topics in a fun and simple way for her students, making her lessons far more engaging. Many creators rely on InstaDoodle to enhance communication and captivate their audiences. InstaDoodle stands out because it removes all the barriers that usually come with video creation. You don't need expensive animation services, artistic talent, or complicated software. There are no bulky installations or high-end equipment needed. Everything is cloud-based, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough for professionals. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, freelancers, teachers, small businesses, coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, and social media managers. Anyone who wants to create eye-catching videos quickly and affordably will benefit from InstaDoodle. Whatever message you're sharing, doodle videos help people stay engaged, understand more clearly, and remember your content longer.